Hey, Big Rich here. Some more iPhone and iPad help. Today we're going to talk about Emergency SOS. Haven't told Mom about this feature because I know she'll be putting my name and number in her phone for the emergency contacts. But the truth is, you all ought to do it. You ought to turn it on, especially if you're like me. Some of you baby boomers out there, I know I got a lot of baby boomer fans, so go into the settings, find Emergency SOS, and I'll take you through how to set it up. So Emergency SOS, you can actually put a number or contact in your phone. So even with your phone locked, somebody could dial that number by pushing the button. And you really all ought to know how to do that on somebody else's phone. So say somebody's in an accident or somebody passes out, you don't really know who they are, but you see their phone, you can grab their phone and actually have it dial an emergency contact. So let's go in to turn that on. So if you didn't see how I did that. So again, you're looking for settings. Again, that's the gear icon. Touch settings and you scroll down and until you find Emergency SOS. And we click on that. And right now I have it turned off, so I'm going to turn it on. And how do you get to it? You rapidly click the sleep wake button 5 times to quickly call emergency services. So 5 different times on anybody's phone if they have it turned on, and it will call the emergency numbers on the phone. You can obviously add doctors, add emergency people. You can change this in your medical ID. That's something different we'll come to later. So again, and then there's the countdown, right? Play a warning sound while Emergency SOS is counting down to call emergency services. That's in case you accidentally trip it on your phone. So again, I have it turned on to call my wife 5 times. Let's see what happens. Let's give it a try. We'll go back out, go to the home screen. Let's lock my phone. And if I remember right, it said you had to push it 5 times. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there it goes. So you can kind of see how that worked. Hopefully I shut it off in the meantime. I hope so. So that's emergency services on the phone. It actually called 911. Hopefully the call didn't go through. If it did, they'll call me back. Big Rich getting in trouble again. So, well, it's good to know that Emergency SOS works. So while I was demonstrating, you saw in the last, it actually went out and made the call to emergency services. 3 times on the side, or 5 times on the side button, and it'll call them, and you'll get a call back. So sorry for the interruption. Again, auto call on and off, or turn it on, and a countdown. Strongly recommend you use that just in case you accidentally go into emergency services. Emergency SOS, how to find it again. Go to settings, scroll down till you find Emergency SOS, and again, turn it on. And I have it on right now. You can put your emergency contacts in there. Well, if you're like me, you'll be looking for that call in the middle of the night. Emergency SOS. That's the sitch with Big Rich. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Watch all my past videos and all the new information coming your way.